In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate and insert dummy text into Microsoft Word. This is a useful trick when you want to preview layouts, test formatting, or create sample documents without having to type real content. To begin, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document or open an existing one where you want to insert dummy text. Once your document is ready, place your cursor where you want the text to appear. Now, type the following command: equals sign, then the word rand inside parentheses. For example, type equals rand, open parentheses, then type 2, 5, and close the parentheses. After typing the command, press Enter on your keyboard. Word will instantly generate sample paragraphs for you. The first number represents the number of paragraphs, and the second number controls how many sentences appear in each paragraph. Another option you can use is the lorem function. Simply type equals lorem, open parentheses, then enter values like 3, 4, and press Enter. This will generate traditional placeholder text commonly used in publishing and design. It's especially helpful if you want neutral-looking content that doesn't distract from your layout. You can also try the equals old command, which generates repeated lines of classic sample text. Type equals old, open parentheses, followed by numbers such as 1, 3, then press Enter. This method is less commonly used, but it can still be helpful for quick demonstrations. After generating your dummy text, you can format it just like any normal content. Change fonts, adjust spacing, apply styles, or experiment with layout designs. This allows you to see how your document will look once real content is added. If the generated text is not what you need, you can simply undo the action by pressing Ctrl-Z and try again with different values. This gives you full flexibility when testing document layouts. And that's it. You now know how to quickly generate and insert dummy text in Microsoft Word using simple commands. This can save you time and help you focus on designing and formatting your document effectively. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.